Hey everyone, it's Michelle, your CSEC biology tutor, and in this video I am going to be sharing with you my personal exam predictions for May 2019 paper 2 for both CSEC biology and human and social biology. So let's get started with biology. So the topics that I feel may possibly come, I'm expecting some kind of questions on the soil or sampling methods, food webs I haven't seen in a while, energy flow, nutrient cycles, anything related to these section A topics, ecology, anything in that topic. And secondly, I'm believing something related to digestion may possibly come. Enzymes, like the types of enzymes, the purpose and function of teeth, maybe the structure of teeth, and then the diet, nutrients, and possibly like types of diseases as it relates to the diet. So maybe deficiency diseases. Thirdly, I believe that leaf structure, so the structure of the dicotyledonous leaf, particularly the internal structure, may come. And then closely relating to that, you could possibly have a question about transpiration and the movement of water through the plant. And then also I'm feeling that a question related to excretion, possibly even the structure of the nephron and its function, then ADH and its role in osmoregulation. Fourthly, I'm thinking another plant related question, asexual reproduction in plants, then looking at the structure of flowers when pollinated or insect pollinated flowers, or something related to pollination, and then possibly seed structure, germination, and dispersal. So any topics related to those I'm feeling could come. And then fifthly, I think reproductive system, possibly the male reproductive system. I haven't seen that in a while. Something to do with cell division, whether it's meiosis or mitosis, and natural or artificial selection, perhaps maybe comparing the two, any similarities, differences, and then maybe speciation, like how new species develop, how they evolve. And then finally, I am thinking the eye. I notice the eye comes almost every year for May exams. Something about the eye usually comes. So I'm thinking of eye structure, the process of accommodation in the eye. So that is how the lens changes its shape depending on the object that you're looking at, the distance of the object you're looking at. So something related to that. And then sight defects, and some form of genetic question is likely to come. Maybe genetic terms, like definitions of terms, and then some kind of genetic cross. And I noticed that sex-linked traits, they seem to be pretty common. Hemophilia, color blindness, so those are fairly common. I see them come in a lot from past papers, but some type of genetic cross I believe should come. And then some other topics that may possibly come, I haven't seen in a while, the life cycle of mosquitoes, classification, that could be a possibility as well. So that's what I think may possibly come for the biology paper. So let's look at the human and social biology paper. So I'm thinking firstly food webs again, something on photosynthesis, maybe testing a leaf for starch, the equation, and also I haven't seen nutrient cycles come in a while. and maybe a question on characteristics of living organisms. Secondly, the heart structure, blood vessels, like comparing maybe the artery and the vein, blood clotting process, so the steps required for blood to clot, and maybe something related to the heart, some kind of disease, atherosclerosis, hypertension, some kind of cardiovascular related disease. Thirdly, I'm thinking cell division again. So either mitosis or meiosis, eye structure, color blindness, or hemophilia genetic cross. So one of those two genetic crosses could possibly come, or it may just be a simple genetic cross like for height or tongue rolling, but some kind of genetic cross I believe could possibly come as well. Genetic crosses seem to be pretty common throughout the past papers. Okay, fourthly, I'm believing that there could be a diagram on the male reproductive system or something related to the male reproductive system. The menstrual cycle I haven't seen in a while on the HSB paper, so you can look out for that possibly. Birth process as well, I haven't seen a question on birth process, like the stages of the birth process. And then pregnancy, maybe labeling a pregnant woman, the functions of the different parts in pregnancy. And then fifthly, HIV, so something related to diseases, and I'm thinking HIV, leptospirosis, cholera or gastroenteritis, and then perhaps the life cycle of the housefly or mosquito. And then finally, I'm strongly believing that something related to the water cycle or something related to water in general will come. So whether it's the water cycle, water purification or pollution, the testing water for bacteria, and then the process of eutrophication. So eutrophication, how we have this overgrowth of algae on the water because of pollution. So pollution from like fertilizers, detergents that run off from say agricultural land, but something on eutrophication could possibly come, and then maybe even air pollution. And then the other topics that could come, the endocrine glands I haven't seen in a while, like maybe locating the position of the endocrine glands or the functions of the endocrine glands, or even comparing the structure and function of the endocrine glands with the nervous system. And then possibly teeth could come, and the skin. So those are my predictions for Human and Social Biology paper 2. So to all of you sitting exams this year, I wish you all the best, and remember, your success depends on your effort. So put in all the studying that you can and just give it your best shot.